In this video, I want to talk about some massive updates for me, for you guys, and for AMC as well. So stay tuned and let's make some money. So let's dive straight in with the key information. So I've wanted to build something for a long time now for long-term investors, as not everyone has the time every day to day trade. Of course, 2 years ago, I built the Millionaire Mindset Trading Group, which is a day trading group. Since then, over 1,000 people have joined, which is incredible. But of course, as I said, not everyone has the time to day trade. So for a long time now, I've been building the MMTG Buy Sell indicator, and it's possibly the most accurate trading indicator ever built. You use it on TradingView and it's for long-term investing. At the time of making this video, I launched the waitlist for the indicator yesterday, and over 90 people have already signed up in the first day. Of course, I will leave the link for the indicator waitlist in the description below, but in this video, I want to explain how the indicator works, what the different parts of the indicator are telling you, and show you a ton of examples for long-term investing on tons of different stocks. Big stocks like the Magnificent Seven, small cap stocks, AMC, Gamestop, crypto, and many more examples. First up, we've got Google, and you can see right down here in June of 2025, the indicator automatically generated a buy signal around $172. Since then, it generated a sell signal here at $252, another buy signal here as it broke out of the bull flag, and it hasn't yet generated a new sell signal. That second buy signal was generated around $246, and Google is already hitting over $325 a share. So this indicator tells you when to buy, it tells you when to sell, and it even tells you when to trim and when to take some profits. Not only that, but for those of you that struggle with support and resistance lines, the indicator automatically plots support and resistances. You can see all of these white lines and these faint white lines here. These are all automatically plotted support and resistance levels on Google. It also tells you with these small triangles when a stock is becoming overbought or oversold and due for a reversal or due for some consolidation. Of course, Google is starting to become overbought here, so I'd imagine Google trades in this consolidation range, forming another bull flag before breaking to the upside maybe next year in 2026. Here's another example with AMD. It told you it was a great macroeconomic time to buy AMD in April 2025. Again, it told you here to buy more AMD below $100 per share, around $97. And it didn't tell you to sell some of your AMD until $178. It then again told you to buy more AMD here on the bull flag breakout, around $160, and didn't tell you to sell that AMD until $260. It works really well on the daily chart time frame, but as you can see with Palantir, it also works really well on the weekly time frame as well. For example, with Palantir, it told you to buy here in June of 2024 around $24 per share. It told you to add more here in March and April of 2025, and it didn't tell you to sell Palantir until $190 a share. Some of my more recent favourites have been smaller cap stocks like Cipher Mining. Cipher Mining is a data center stock that aids those companies like Google, like Amazon, like Meta, and many others. The indicator told you to buy Cipher down here at $5.33, told you to take some trims along the way, but it didn't tell you to sell until $20. Even in just the last few days, it's generated another buy signal around $15, and Cipher has already ran over $21. Another great example is Ondas. It told you to buy Ondas down here around $2.20 and didn't tell you to sell until over $10. I could sit here for hours showing you tons and tons of examples, but what this indicator helps with is that it helps you with buying and selling stocks. It tells you when it's a great macroeconomic time to buy, when we're at the very bottom of a recession. It gives you momentum warnings when a stock is overbought or oversold, and it gives you a great discount buy zone, which is that thick gold line there. And it also helps you with support and resistance levels as well, all built into one. There's companies out there charging $100 a month or $200 a month for similar indicators to these. But if you sign up to the waitlist, the link is in the description below, you'll get a lifetime discount getting all of these indicators, this entire indicator package, for less than $40 a month. So if you are someone that doesn't have time to day trade, you are a longer term investor and you need some help, this is the perfect product for you. This is obviously something I'm super passionate about, and it's really helped me with my investing as well. My entire long-term retirement account is up over 80% this year, and hopefully you guys share my passion about this indicator as well. As I've said, you can sign up for the waitlist for the indicator in the description below to get that 33% lifetime discount for being a waitlist member. But guys, be sure to let me know what you think down in the comments below. And as always, guys, be sure to subscribe to the channel and ding that notification bell, because that way you'll be alerted when I upload a new video. Cheers.